So what's your reaction on the CLP leader has been appointed today?
Yeah, see, I'm giving my reaction only as an ex-congressman because I'm not in Congress now. 2 days back I had given the interview. In that I said, ideally, Kallush Alware, Advocate Kallush should have been the CLP leader. There are two reasons for it. One, he's a learned person and he's been doing a lot of work for the Congress party in the past. All the cases he's been fighting almost for free. And second is, you have a president of the party who's from the south. So ideally, for a balance of power, there should have been a CLP from the north. But Congress has got three criteria to give any position which URI fits. One criteria is that you have to be very rich, where you can pay the gundus, gandus, whoever come from this. Second is that you should not be in the Congress for long. You shouldn't be more than 1 year in the Congress. And the third is you should have contested or worked against the party at some time in the near past. So which URI fits the bill perfectly. So I think he's been rewarded for that. Because if you recollect, URI has been in Goa Forward before he joined the party. He was in NCP before that. I believe he's a good man and he'll probably do something for the Congress. But I'm just upset as usual because Kallush has been with the Congress party. He's not been rewarded. He's from the North Goa. I think with this type of thing, I don't know where the Congress is sitting. But it is expected as long as Gundus are here, Girish is here, this is expected.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.